I know. Bulavinaka, and very good afternoon to you all. To the members of the media, thank you for always covering this special occasion where we as Fijians come together to wish our fellow Fijians good luck and bid them farewell. I hope Fiji Times is also here. Firstly, I wish to acknowledge the Australian government on this government-to-government arrangement with Fiji First government under the Bala partnership arrangement. This arrangement started in April 2019, allowing Fijians workers to work in Australia under the Pacific Labour Scheme. For your information, to date, in a very short period of time, we have a total of 8,493 workers mobilized under the 3 programs by my ministry, of which 2,372 under the seasonal work program, 3,169 to the PLS, that's both in Australia, and 1,952 in New Zealand. Week in, week out, I receive invitation to come and officially close the pre-departure briefings. And let me tell you, I hardly miss this opportunity, because I feel that it is my duty to take time out to come and meet the workers in person, to come and let the chosen workers present know how important they are to their families, to their communities, and to the nation as a whole. This week, 127 of you are lucky. Fijian government has invested in you by conducting training to ensure that you are ready to work. This pre-departure briefing does not come cheap, yet we do it because we are training the best. And I have no doubt that the return on this investment will be worthwhile and will be tenfold. And also, you would have come to know the scheme well, what's required of you, and most importantly, why you are going to work in Australia and New Zealand. You would have also cleared out some doubts that you had before that was caused by misinformation on social media. I always remind, whenever I come here for this closing ceremony, I can't stop you using social media, but I can only advise you. Use it for a good purpose. Don't think everything posted is true, because we have spoilers around. There are people who want to destroy this program. But with God's blessing till to date, no one has touched us. And that's why we have reached out to this number, and our target is, with the assistance of my ministry staff, by end of this year, we want to reach 10,000. That's our target. We want our 10,000 Fijians work in Australia and New Zealand under these programs. Ladies and gentlemen, like any worker, you are protected by legislations, laws, policies, and procedures. Your respective employers have been vetted and are some of the best employers of their respective industries and valuable partners to the PALM scheme. Remember to make use of the procedure and consultation, representation, and dispute settlement that you have learned here in the PDP. Remember self-advocacy, wherein the person who is to try and solve problems faced is ourselves. Those processes and procedures are there to protect you. Our job is not just to register you, provide you training, and then forget about it. No. Our responsibility is that after 4 years of work in Australia, we want you all to return in good form and safe, with a lot of monies. So don't think we will not have our eyes on you for the next 4 years. We would like you all to be our good ambassadors. I'd also like to inform you that talks are underway with our partners to see how your families can join you while you are working there. So the team is working very hard. Can we put our hands together for the working and the staff that are involved in this scheme? You know, honestly, sometimes when I visit my office late, I see these workers on the ground floors, the workers, they're working. And there's another building, they work. It's for you people. I know at times there are frustrations because you people have been waiting for long. But there's a process that we need to follow. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Affairs government and the Australian government have nothing but the best intentions for you. And that is for you to go, work hard, earn money, and come back home. That's why we have a team of hardworking, as I mentioned earlier on, individuals here in NEC, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, PALM Support Services, and the Fair Work Ombudsman of Australia, who is also based here in our office. So there is a good team set up with the assistance of the Ombudsman. She's not here today. Yeah. So you can see that slowly we have strengthened our office staff to see that they meet the deadlines. We have volunteers to work under this program. We have engaged them, all just for you people. So when you go there, make sure, don't forget about your families, because you all will need their blessing every day. Don't think somebody is waiting there for you. When you go there, then somebody will come and take you away. No. Because if you are focused, if you are going to carry out the work that you have been told to do, I can tell you without any hesitation that you can make sure that tens of thousands of Fijians who are waiting can join in this program as well. So it all depends on all of you, how disciplined you all will be while you are in Australia and New Zealand. So I would like to acknowledge the Australian Regional and Remote Community Services, which is an aged care provider. Thank you for having faith in our Fijian workers, and of course to the other employers for having faith in our Fijian workers. And I say thank you to all of them. The people of Fiji and the Fiji Affairs government is forever grateful for your trust. It will be our duty and honor to train our workers and bring them up to the Australian New Zealand standards. We are ready to work out more programs in terms of training with both countries, Australia and New Zealand, that will benefit all three nations. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I wish to congratulate you all, and I hope that you will be good ambassadors, as I mentioned earlier on, and will open many doors of opportunities to your brothers and sisters to experience the same. Do good, work hard, listen to your supervisors, and follow the instructions. Think of your families back home. Vinaka, and thank you. God bless.
Fiji, hip hip!